Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Last week we unboxed our new pillows, our Polar Tropic and my Hush Grid pillow, and we said that we were going to come back in 7 days and give you guys our review. I'm going to link that video down below so you can check it out as well.
As Michael said, I got myself the memory foam pillow, the Polar Tropic pillow, and I absolutely love it. When I sleep, I usually sleep on my side, and honestly, I find this pillow to be very supportive. I feel like I am sleeping longer, and to be honest with you, I'm ditching Michael less. What that means is I sometimes ditch him, I go to the couch because I'm super hot, but this pillow is keeping me nice and cool.
Is that why you're around more?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think I only left you one time this week.
Okay.
Once.
Nice.
Just because I couldn't sleep. I think he was snoring.
Well, I was really passed out at that point, clearly.
So I felt like I chose the right pillow for me. I love it.
What do you rate it out of 10?
Out of a 10, I would rate it probably a 9 or a 9.5. Just because I love the cool part about it. It's like super cool. Also, when you flip it over, it can get a little bit more warm, but it's just not warm enough. But again, I'm picky. That's me. So like a 9, 9.5, that's a really good score. I love my pillow.
That's great. Glad to hear. Thank you.
I wouldn't switch it at all.
All right. Well, we are going to go on to my review of my pillow. So this is what happened.
I'm right.
So I ended up grabbing one of these Polar Tropic pillows for myself because during a nap I stole hers and I was passed out. Like, it was amazing. I woke up a little bit of drool on her pillow, but that's going to be between us.
Yeah.
I decided I needed one for myself. I really enjoy the memory foam pillow aspect. It really gives me enough support on my neck and it eases those neck cramps. So
yes.
The Hush Grid pillow I had, it was all right. It was good when I tried it in the store, but I didn't like how I was feeling when I actually took it home, even with taking out some of the fill. So the Polar Tropic has won me over. And it's funny that she says 9.5 because the warm side's not warm enough. I barely use the cool side. I'm super cozy on the warm side, so for me, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it really surprised me. And I wake up again with some drool. That's how I know it's a good sleep and a deep sleep, and that's how I know it's a nice pillow. It really supports and molds to you as you sleep, and it's really good for me. I sleep on my back and on my sides, and very, very supportive.
Also, I want to add, absolutely, he's right. It molds to your head. So like right when you lay on it, you got to be a little bit patient. And Michael, he has a lot of patience. We were at the store for, I want to say like close to 2 hours. I was literally like dragging my feet, ready to leave. And I think the sales guy was ready for us to leave too. But Michael, he's very indecisive. He can't make a decision. Like usually he'll choose left if I choose right, but then he'll go over to that left. So I know typically I have the better judgment between both of us. And I typically know what my husband likes more than he does himself, I would say. So that's why, to be honest with you, when he stole my pillow, I allowed it because he probably didn't sleep for like 1 or 2 days, I feel like, with the other pillow. So he took it and he was passed out right away, and I was like, oh, thank God, he's gonna like this pillow. But again, the real reason why I love it is it molds to your head. It's great. And to be honest with you, it promotes you to sleep better because I don't sleep on my stomach as much. I don't know if you noticed that. I'm barely on my stomach. True. And the only other reason why I'm typically on my stomach is because I feel like my head is not being supported by my pillow. So within a week already, I've been on my side, I've been on my back a lot more than even sleeping on the front, because again, when you sleep on your stomach, it's not the best posture. You can wake up with a lot of pain and aches. So big shout out to this pillow. It has made my sleep so much better, and I'm so happy that Michael chose the same pillow as me and that I'm right.
I guess you could say she was right, because I feel like with something like this, you got to take your time, and clearly in the store, it wasn't even enough time. So going home, sleeping on it a few different ways really showed me what the pillow was about, and that's why I ended up switching. So I guess
I'm doing this.
You could be right in that way.
I'm doing this because I think what happened at the store was it was enough time, but I think Michael didn't give this pillow a fair chance. And let me defend the pillow for a second. Let me
I
tell you
tried it
why.
like 5 times, 6, 7, 8 times.
Yeah, but I don't think you absorbed how it's supposed to feel. I think that you're keeping your neck so like tense because you didn't want it like this pillow. And I'll tell you guys why. We've gotten memory foam pillows before, and because it failed us before, I think Michael was kind of against the memory foam in his head, even subconsciously in his head. I think so. I think that's what happened.
That could be a fair statement. But now with this here, it's won me over on the memory foam game, and super happy to have it. And I wouldn't choose any other pillow now. We actually went to a conference recently and we had to stay at an Airbnb, and the one thing I missed the most was my pillow. I couldn't sleep the whole night.
Yeah, I agree. Like the pillow, right when we laid in the bed was so comfy. And we're like, we wish we just brought our pillows.
That's literally, I would bring it next time. Anywhere I'm going now, I'm bringing my pillow, I don't care. So I'm one with the pillow now. Memory foam, Polar Tropic. My review, 10 out of 10.
My review, 9.5 out of 10. It's a great pillow though. I love it.
I'm glad you enjoy it. So make sure to watch our unboxing video that I posted down below. Also make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.
See ya.